We have to find the vertex of the graph of the equation. We have quadratic function. We know that the graph of quadratic function is parabola. Parabola can be open up or open down. When a is greater than 0, we have parabola opens up, and when a is less than 0, we have parabola opens down. So what is a? How I find a? When we have general form of quadratic function, y is equal, we can write f of x. It doesn't matter if you use only y or f of x. We can use both terms. This is a x squared plus bx plus c. This is general form of quadratic function. Coefficient before x squared is always a. Coefficient before x is b and constant is c. So now we have to go to our equation, and we see that before x squared we don't have any number. When we don't have any number, it's always invisible 1. So a is equal 1. So a is positive. So our parabola is open up. We need to find this point. This point is our vertex. When we have general form of quadratic function, the coordinates of the vertex are negative b over 2a. This is first coordinate, and the second is value of our function for negative b over 2a. This is our y. So first we always need to find the first coordinate. To find the first coordinate, we need b and a. We have a. b, like I said, is coefficient before x. Before x we have negative 2, and constant c is negative 1. So x is equal negative b over 2a. We have to memorize this form. And now we have to substitute. Negative sign we copy. b is negative 2, and a is 1. So we have 2 times 1. This is equal. Negative and negative give me positive. So we have 2 over 2. This is equal 1. We have x. And now we have to find y. Y is value f of negative b over 2a. We found that negative b over 2a is 1. So this is equal f of 1. I can substitute. And now we have to find the value of our function for x equals 1. It means we have to substitute every x in our equation by 1. So let's do this. First is x squared, so will be 1 to second power minus 2 we have to copy, and we have times x. X is 1 minus 1. So this is equal. We have 1 to second power is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and we have negative 1. So this is equal negative 2. We found x and y, so we can write that the vertex of our parabola is 1, negative 2. The coordinates of our vertex are 1 and negative 2. This is my solution.